Hello and welcome to our channel, My Real Estate. I am your host, Gauri, an MRE advisor. Today I will showcase an exclusive review of Centrade Business Park by K Rasa Group. Located in Sector 140 Noida, let's dive into what makes this project a top investment choice. Centrade Business Park is a 5-acre, fully paid-up project that stands out in Noida's commercial landscape with 3 impressive towers, Tower A, Tower B and Tower C. It is set to become a hub for IT/ITES retail and businesses. Tower A and Tower B will be ready to fit out within 6 months, while Tower C is poised for a future launch. This phase development ensures a continuous flow of opportunities for investors and businesses alike. Location is key and Centrade Business Park excels in this regard. Positioned at a premium corner spot, it offers excellent connectivity to the Noida Expressway and FNG. The Noida Metro is within walking distance and it's surrounded by luxury residential areas of Sector 137, Sector 143 and Sector 93. This strategic location makes it an ideal choice for setting up office spaces in a well-organized environment. Centrade Business Park features retail shops on the ground and the first floors. These double-height shops with expansive front views are perfect for luxury brands. Big names like Bikanerwala, Gold Gym, RC Jewelers and Burger King have already shown interest in leasing these prime spaces. Office spaces here come in both lockable and virtual formats. Lockable spaces start from 550 square feet to 750 square feet, with the flexibility to expand as needed. This adaptability makes it suitable for businesses of all sizes. Investments start at just 50 lakhs for lockable office spaces, making it an attractive option for both self-use and rental income. K Rasa Group is a prominent and innovative player in the Indian real estate sector with a special focus on Delhi NCR region. They have relentless commitment to deliver high-quality, innovative and pocket-friendly luxury commercial properties. With 4.2 lakh square feet developed, 7.2 lakh square feet under development and 60 lakh square feet launching soon. K Rasa is all set to define skyline in Noida. Centrade Business Park is a dream project for K Rasa Group. Centrade Business Park offers a host of amenities including restaurants, a rooftop club, a central courtyard with pods for working and relaxing over a good cup of coffee. The central area will feature beautiful water bodies and ample seating. The project includes ample parking across 2 basements, ensuring convenience for all visitors and tenants. With an anticipated daily footfall of 20,000 individuals, Centrade Business Park will create substantial demand for retail. The thriving residential sectors around it further enhance its vibrancy and business potential. It's not just an office space, it's a comprehensive business ecosystem. If you're looking to invest in office space for self-use or to generate good rental income, Centrade Business Park is your go-to destination. Connect with us to learn more about this exceptional investment opportunity.